You're listening to the Amazing Facts Daily Devotional. Today's topic, No More Sea. Although its average temperature is 39 degrees Fahrenheit, the top 10 feet of the ocean holds as much heat as our entire atmosphere. Many unusual things also happen on the ocean floor. Chimneys spew sulfuric acid, and underwater volcanoes shoot out mud and methane. Water at 650 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead, bubbles up from underwater hot springs. Despite the scalding temperatures, however, these springs boast a profusion of life, from giant clams to 10-foot-tall tube worms. The ocean also houses some astounding topography. At more than 40,000 miles long, the mid-oceanic ridge is the longest continuous mountain chain known to exist in the universe. This chain runs through the middle of the Atlantic Ocean and into the Indian and Pacific, and has peaks higher than those in the Alps. The ocean's deepest point, known as the Challenger Deep, plummets to a depth of 6.86 miles. If Mount Everest was submerged in this trench, more than a mile of water would still cover it. Under such a volume of water, the pressure is a crushing 8 tons per square inch, equivalent to one person trying to hold 50 jumbo jets. As John surveyed the glories of the new earth, he noticed something unique. Now I saw a new heaven and a new earth, for the first heaven and the first earth had passed away. Also there was no more sea. Revelation 21, verse 1. Considering how much of the earth's surface is covered in water, it is not surprising that many associate the sea with separation. It divides friends and is often a barrier between us and those we love. Many people have stood on the shore and looked across those restless waves, thinking with longing of someone far away. But in the earth made new, there will be no more restless, murmuring waves, and no more separation from those we love. Our key Bible text today comes from Romans chapter 8 and verse 35. Who shall separate us from the love of Christ? Shall tribulation, or distress, or persecution, or famine, or nakedness, or peril, or sword? Thank you for listening to the Amazing Facts Daily Devotional.